Hi, and welcome to another week's Tips for AI Trailblazers. I'm Kathleen Purley, your host and founder of Demystify. This week, we're going to talk about AI and memory. I've been hearing a lot of comments lately that people are finding that their AI tools like ChatGPT are just not performing the way they used to. Now, this might not actually be a result of AI getting worse. Quite in fact, ChatGPT 4.0 has released an update November 20th that actually made the platform better at creative writing. So you might be wondering, well, what does memory have to do with all of this? And the truth of the matter is, the conversations you are having with your AI chatbot like ChatGPT is storing things in its memory in an effort to help promote efficiency and accuracy when it works with you on a regular basis. So if you're like me who utilize AI for a number of different reasons, right? So I utilize AI to develop fake scenarios and fake companies with synthetic data to show my students how to use these tools. Or you work at a marketing and advertising agency like I used to, right? And you work with clients that are in a wide variety of industries, from energy sector to cybersecurity to healthcare. And really being able to carry that knowledge base from one client to another client's projects is not helpful at all. So I'm going to show you how you can prune and clean up, do a little bit of spring cleaning as we get towards the end of the year on your AI's memory. So let me go ahead and share my screen. As you can see here, I have my ChatGPT window open, and I'm simply just going to go to my settings. So if you click in your upper right-hand corner, you'll be able to see settings. You'll click on that, and you will go to the personalization thing, kind of sidebar here. And when you have that, you'll see that you either have memory turned on, custom instructions turned on or off. And if you have memory turned on, you have the ability to manage that memory. So I will show you all the guts and glory. I had not cleaned out my memory until fairly recently, or it's been a while. So we'll see what it remembers about me. So knows I was working on a newsletter blurb, but that's probably not important from a carrying on perspective of memory. So we're going to go ahead and forget that. Obviously, I don't own a cupcake company. This was something I did for my students as a kind of a test project. So I'm going to delete that. It's remembering kind of all the different courses I'm teaching and looking for recommendations for profile review for my LinkedIn, talking about my experience as it pertains to AI and mental health. So you'll see here it has a lot of different things in here, and some of this is helpful, but some of this is not. So like, does it really matter that I'm married? No, so we can delete that. So as I'm going through this, you can kind of see some of the things that it's remembering about me. You can also clear all of your memories if that's something you want to do. I'm not quite ready to do that yet, but you can see where this feature could be really helpful in certain scenarios, or depending on what you're using it for, can actually make the performance that you're seeing feel like it's actually getting worse. So this week, take the time to kind of deep clean your memory of your AI agents and really start to focus on how these can really help improve your day-to-day work basis. Join us next week for Tips for AI Trailblazers, where we'll talk about a new feature within Runway AI that creates amazing voice agents that can be trained based on knowledge documentation.